Want 10 stunning images in one click? Watch this. I'll show the exact prompt in a quick Gemini batch workflow. Copy this prompt exactly, generate 10 unique images of a futuristic city skyline at dusk, stylized digital painting with scribble overlays, cinematic neon lighting, wide-angle perspective, ultra-detailed, 16:9. Open Gemini, choose Image Generation, and switch to Batch mode. Paste the prompt into the prompt field and set the count to 10. Tip: keep aspect ratio at 16:9 for landscape-ready images. Step 1. Click Generate and watch Gemini spawn 10 thumbnails. Step 2. Preview thumbnails and pick any image to open full view. Step 3. Use quick edits to tweak color, style strength, or reroll a variation. Export, select all 10, choose high resolution, and download them as a zip. Pro tip: append scribble overlay to the prompt for playful hand-drawn accents. Now copy the prompt on screen, paste it into Gemini, generate 10 images and try it for yourself.